Welcome to the blocky world of Minecraft, where every day brings a new adventure. From crafting tools to building your dream home, there's always something exciting waiting around the corner. Let's dive into this epic world and see what surprises it has for us. I can do this. Time to build your first home. It might not be the Taj Mahal, but hey, it's a start. Just don't build it on a creeper's favorite spot. Minecraft's good side? Well, it's the best creative outlet. Whether you're building a castle, creating complex redstone mechanisms, or starting your own farm, there's always something fun to do. Not all mobs in Minecraft are friendly. Meet the Enderman, a tall, teleporting nightmare that only gets angry if you look at it. Sounds easy, right? Well, think again. Minecraft is full of surprises. From hidden treasure chests to finding diamonds in the most unexpected places, you never know what you're going to get. That's it for today's Minecraft adventure. Stay safe and watch out for those creepers.